Hello all, welcome to my channel Learning Oasis. In today's video, we are going to see the use of Datedif function in Excel. So this function is used to identify the difference between two dates, and there are three separate variations for that. Let's look into it one by one. So let's see how to use the Datedif function. So Datedif, so we'll have to enter the first date, and then the second date, comma. If you want the difference in years, you'll have to put y within double quotes and then hit enter. So this will give you the difference between these two dates in terms of years. So this is the first variation. If you want to identify the difference in months, it's the same formula. Instead of y, you should use m. And the third variation is, if you want to identify the difference between two dates in terms of days. So for that, you will have to replace this with the letter D. So this will give you the difference between two dates in terms of number of days. Okay. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you all.